what if you could clone any YouTube channel, say Alex Hormozi, MrBeast, etc., and literally even chat with them, have them as your personal mentor. You could even get them to write a script for you, get their storytelling method, get their style, and all for free. And I'll show you how you can do this in less than 10 minutes. So stick on, let's have a look. So you can clone any YouTube channel using this free software from Google called NotebookLM. So I'm going to show you how to use it in a way which you might have not thought of before, and where you can chat with creators like MrBeast, Alex Hormozi, sitting in your living room. Okay, so let's have a look. So before we jump in, let me clarify, this is not you're trying to clone a person, you're trying to clone their content library, their ideas, their framework, their storytelling pattern, their tone, their hooks, their advice, their philosophy, etc., etc. Everything they've ever shared publicly, you can have all of that working in your favor with the software called NotebookLM. We'll see how you're going to do that and how you're going to do that very fast. So first and foremost, you're going to go and look for this NotebookLM. So let's click on that. Now you'll come to a page like this and you can just give it a try. Okay, it's free from Google. Now I've already logged in. I've already used quite a few things here. So you can see here. Now what you want to do is firstly hit the create new button. Okay, and you can see here a lot of things you can put in. You can put in a lot of data sources like links, website links, YouTube videos, Google Workspace Drive, and also copy paste text. Now we're going to see how we're going to clone, have a look at videos. Now you can do it one way. Say you want to clone MrBeast. Say I want to clone his channel. So you can do one thing, you can copy each of these video URLs, but that is a long way. We're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it by a shortcut, and let's see how that can be done. Okay, so you want to get YouTube videos, but we'll see how to do that. So first and foremost, I want to name this. I'm going to name this, say, MrBeast. MrBeast. Okay, this is where I'm going to put all the data sources. Now you can see there's nothing out here. There are no data sources. You could add data sources, but we are not going to do that manually. We are going to do that. Let some software do that. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so apart from NotebookLM, we are going to use two Chrome extensions. So ensure you are using the Chrome browser. Otherwise, these will not work. Okay, so first extension is Grabit, and the second extension is NotebookLM Web Sync Full Site Importer. Okay, I'll leave the links to these in the description below as well. Okay, so now when you go to Grabit, so what is essentially Grabit doing? Grabit will get a list of all videos. It's going to grab the URLs of all different videos from YouTube. We're going to see how to do that. And then when you go to this NotebookLM extension, you will be able to paste these URLs here, and directly from that extension, it will get into your NotebookLM backend. So let's have a look how to do that. So first, obviously, you'll have to add these to Chrome. So once you've added them to Chrome, you're going to enable them. So let's have a look. Let's pin them. The Grabit and NotebookLM. So that's Grabit and that's NotebookLM there. Okay, so first I'm going to get some settings done. Okay, so click on Grabit and go to more settings. So what you want to do is add new action. Okay, so new action, say on mouse click, left click, plus say I'll hold the control key. Okay, so left click plus control key, and this would be highlighted color. We'll have a look what this all means. And copy URLs to clipboard. That's what you want to do. You don't need to worry about this advanced options. Okay, and you just save that. So that's your first action. Control plus left click mouse button. It's going to copy all the URLs. So that is your first setting you want to do. Once you've done that, let's get back to YouTube. In YouTube, now the extension should be active. If I click left click and I press the control key, okay, so I'm holding down the control key and now I've left clicked it. And you can see 9 URLs copied, 15 URLs copied. Okay, let's see how many, 57 URLs copied. You can see that. Okay, so just that. Now I'll go on to my next extension. That's the Notebook Sync, Web Sync, and from URL list. And now I want to go to the ones which I just made. Which one was that? MrBeast. Okay, so that's one on top. And I will Control V out there. So these are the URLs that are there, and import URLs, and hit the import URL. It should start working. Yeah, so it's importing there. You can see it's crawling the site and it's importing the URLs. You can see the URLs are being populated out here in this notebook. Okay, so quite a few URLs have already come up. So few are not, don't worry about those, but most of them should come out here. Okay, so most of the URLs should directly be copied into that, and so will the links to the videos. Okay, while that is populating, we can also see you can generate various things. You can generate an audio overview of this, like a Prezi, a video overview, a mind map, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, slide deck, etc. This audio overview is basically like a podcast. It has two people talking to each other, so it will give you a very good indication of what this channel is about. Okay, now you can see here, let's have a look what advice did we get. Focus on powerful storytelling and character development, set ambitious goals and maintain passion. MrBeast holds leverage contribution, build a recurring cast, use your platform for impact, etc. So you can see what MrBeast would do to get a faceless channel. Okay, so I've asked NotebookLM to give me a 30-day content calendar for my own niche, which was, say, affiliate marketing, and it has given me, based on MrBeast's content, all this data. So you can see I can start making content like this, and as it is following the same philosophy of MrBeast, there's high likelihood that this content does well. Also, you're not restricted to one creator. You can put in details of, say, Alex Hormozi plus MrBeast, and you can put in also your content, and that's how you can possibly mixed ideas and also the best content from all these creators. Okay, so now you're not restricted to just one or two use cases. You are limited only by imagination here. Once you have all this data, the world's your playground. So hope you like this. Feel free to leave a comment on how you intend using it or how you have been using it, and I'd love to hear some things about that. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the other videos. Take care.